What's happening? NANI?!
Sawadee krap, it's about Minecraft. Welcome to another episode of the Boxing King, and yes, today I've got the Realme 6 here to unbox, and the Realme 5 was the first smartphone that I unboxed last year, and this year its little brother, the Realme 6, finally comes into Malaysia. So let's see what's the upgrade on it. So opening up the box, we have the menu, the plastic back cover, the SIM pin to the phone, the 30-watt fast charger, and also a USB-C cable. So now let's talk about the design. There's two color variants for the Realme 6, which is the one that I'm having here is the Connect White, and the other one will be the Connect Blue. And this time the Realme 6 uses a reflective glossy background, which you might have some fingerprint stain on it. And on the back you can see there's the quad camera setup, and on the front it has a 6.5-inch Full HD plus 90Hz refresh rate Gorilla Glass 3 display. So powering up the device will be a 4300 mAh battery, which can last up to 6 hours of usage time with the 90Hz panel. And not to mention, it also comes with a 30-watt flash charger that can charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. This means that in the morning when I go to shower and come out from the shower, my phone already can charge up to 70% if I forgot to charge it before I sleep last night. And the other upgrade that I want to talk about is the side-mounted fingerprint, which it can unlock your screen with just 0.29 seconds. In a fast click, unlock, click, unlock. Wow. Okay, finished with the design, let's take a look into the tech spec of the phone. The Realme 6 comes with the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with the 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage capacity. And if you are a gamer, this phone won't disappoint you because of the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset, which can let you switch up to a high frame rate. 120Hz touch response will make your gaming even smoother because whenever you touch it, it will respond to you immediately. Now, the cameras. The Realme 6 comes with a quad camera setup and a punch hole selfie camera on the front. On the rear, it has a 64 megapixel ultra high definition wide angle main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens, and also 2 megapixel macro lens. And on the front, it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. And let me tell you something very cool. Whenever you switch to the front camera or you're using a front camera, there is a circular animation around the punch hole selfie camera. Isn't that cool? So overall, the Realme 6 is pretty great phone to own, but if you ask me what I don't like about the phone is the speaker of the Realme 6. The speaker overall is pretty loud, pretty decent, but whenever you turn the volume too high or turn the volume up, the audio will be a little bit cracky.
Now we show. We're coming to win it.
And also what I dislike about most of the shiny real design phone are the fingerprint stain on the phone. So I think that's not a big issue, but there's still a bonus feature that I want to show you guys. So let's head out of the studio. Jump.
What's happening?
Okay. So don't worry, because the Realme 6, all the ports are sealed with silicone, so the Realme 6 is water resistant. This is the bonus feature that I talked to you about, and this is the one that I want to show you. So that's all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the bell icon for the latest video update. See you next time. I'm gonna watch this.